Hello, N4H here. Got something in the mail. This is from NY4G, my friend Ariel, who builds these trail-friendly end-fed antennas that can handle up to about 60 watts sideband, and they weigh about 10 ounces. Okay, so he sent me something here that I'm excited for you guys to see. Let me get this open. Okay, here we go. He and I have been discussing my favorite subject lately, I guess. I had so many questions about it. The 60-meter band and how valuable it is for some. It's on the air operators. And wow, look at this. So this is the adder, the extension for the basic antenna. His basic antenna covers 6 meters, 10 meters, 15 meters, 20 meters, 30 meters, 40 meters. You have to ask for 30 because he puts a link in there, but you can do it. And then my friend Joel says he tried his on, and he got a good SWR on 6 meters as well. I mean, 2 meters as well. But anyway, so check it out. This is this one has a loading coil, so it can be a little bit shorter. If you watch the video from the other day when we debuted the antenna, the NY4G end-fed, we call it Ariel's Ariel because, well, the designer and builder is a guy named Ariel, right? So his name, and it's spelled A-R-I-E-L, but we call it Ariel's Ariel. So we debuted it the other day with the 60-meter extension that W4KWM has, and boy, this weighs nothing. And he has the full length extension, no loading coil. But anyway, let me show you a comparison here. Let me grab the antenna. All right. And if you saw me unbox the antenna the other day. There it is. The transformer is inside of here. Walnut, really nice looking. And so there's my. This is what I did. The disconnect here. This is what you can. It's using an Anderson power pole. This is for the 30-meter part, and then on the end here, I can add, if I want to do 80 meters, here's my 80-meter extender. And then you got a carabiner here. You hook these two insulators together, and then you plug these two Andersons. Let me get them right. All right, and then the carabiner through. So that's how you add 80. And look at much bigger coil here for 80. See that? All right, then, but if I want to do 60, he sent me this so I can do 60. And then the same kind of thing. I will, I guess I'll use the carabiner from the other one. And then, you know, connect this, stretch this on out, and I've got a 60-meter version. So you just put your rope through this, and this end here will connect to the basic antenna. All right, so 60-meter adder. This one here, Ariel tried one out a week or two ago, and he got 500, 600 mile, I think a 600-mile summit contact. I think it was even a summit to summit, mountaintop to mountaintop there with this one using the loading coil. And he got good signal reports. The one that W4KWM has that is in the video from the other day when we hiked Blue Mountain. So if you want to see that video, it's back 2 or 3. He does not have a loading coil. He's got the full length. I think this trims maybe 10 or 12 feet off the antenna. I'm not quite sure I remember that correctly, but something like that. So here it is, the 60-meter extension. To add to this only weighs 10 ounces. Believe it or not, I weighed this today, and all of that is only 6 ounces. So this is lighter than that, of course. Maybe 3, 2, something like that. So quite a lot. Look at this. I mean, with all of that, you can work, well, according to my friend Joel, 2 meters too, but at least 6, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 60, 80. Really, really cool. And it'll all fit in a soda beams bag. I ordered an extra one time when I placed an order, and it's coming in handy. All right, hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you to my Patreons who help keep the channel going. Anyone else out there that might want to help, all you have to do is go to www.patreon.com/N4HNH, my call sign. So this is N4HNH for N4HNH Radio, saying 73, and have a great day.